Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking at Inklings. This is one of the latest releases from Johanna Basford. She's been releasing these pocket-sized coloring books. Now, one of the first ones was Small Victories, so you've probably seen this on my channel and others. Very cute images. They still are just like her full-size books, just smaller because it's about half the size. But they're fun to work with. I actually need to color in these more. I've been testing like pencils in them. And yeah, I haven't given them a lot of love. I was working on like a series with these and well, that's as far as I got. So today we have Inklings and we are going to flip through it. I pre-ordered this. It did come on release day for me. I just didn't film it on release day because I never do these days. I'm never in a rush to be first. All right, we still have our nice thick paper. Belongs to Paige. See, and I like this because her goal is like, so you can color a little bit at a time and feel accomplished. You know, those big pages, no one feels accomplished. They take forever, so it's kind of nice. I really like these pages with multiples. They're good for tutorials, but also just like quick little coloring. I do have a channel called The Impatient Colorist. It's a silent coloring channel. And I've been doing coloring on there using these little guys. So yeah, you can go check those out. I need to add more though. Oh, I like this one. Oh, I always love her little storefront ones. I don't know why. It's probably because Rooms of Wonder was one of my favorite. These would be really fun to do. Have matching backgrounds. Oh, I love these ones. Ooh, I really like that one. It's just so cute. And again, they're small, but they're not like tedious small like her old books where you almost needed like the sharpest point possible. It's still, you can still get a ton of blends in there. I mean, look, like my fingernail. See, you got space. Oh, I love it. The price of these is kind of high considering you can get a full-size book for not much more, but ooh, this would be a fun series. Still, I like that one. That would be a fun series to do along with that. I might even do like a Felicimo series. You know, color some of these with Felicimo or like do a whole thing where it's just Prismas and we'll see. Oh, I really want to color that one. Ooh, I'll probably never touch this page. I don't know. Maybe, but doubtful. Oh, that's perfect for fall. This would be a good Christmas one. Ooh, I like these. I love that they're squared off. There's a lot in here. It's a thick little book too. These are perfect for traveling as well because you can go with one set of pencils, even a small set, and just, you know, almost practice working with a smaller color palette. Oh, I like that. I feel it's a little repetitive though to have that again because it's very similar to the other one. I like that. Ooh, these are cute, cute, cute. Oh, I like the bookmarks. Yeah, these are fun. Your test page. So yeah, I mean, you've got now 2 that you can collect. I'd love to know if you got Inklings or if you still have Small Victories, which one's your favorite. I'm probably gonna have to say I still like Small Victories, mainly the cupcake page. This is on my channel, the Impatient Colorist, actually. You can see that one on there, and I think the mushroom is too. Like I said, I had meant to do a bunch, but I honestly think Small Victories is still my favorite. This one definitely has more florals though, so I don't know. It's hard to say. But let me know which one you have, or if you have both, which is your favorite. I always like to get some input. Is it worth the money? Yes, you get quality paper. This is really, really good paper. It handles water well. I've used everything from ink tints to watercolor pencils to water-based backgrounds. They handle heavy pressure, light pressure. I've really never found a pencil that hates the paper for me, but that's my coloring style. So yeah, I don't regret buying this or pre-ordering it. In fact, I'd love to know if you want to join me in an Inklings and or Small Victories challenge. I was thinking of combining the two. And it's just like tackling a little image a day, but only with one set of pencils. I'm going to be working on that, and it'll be kind of something I just upload as probably shorts into my Instagram. But they'll put the silent ones on my silent coloring channel for you guys if you want to learn how to color and follow along. But yeah, overall not bad. I'm pretty impressed. All right, well, until next time, guys, take care. Bye now.